All right, so this might be my last one in Texas, unfortunately, but we'll just see what happens. I'm here with my friend Kim and Jeff and their 2012 Toyota Highlander, their baby. And so we took care of it, basically just yellowing and just some stuff on the outside. I think they turned out really good. So guys, I hate to say it one last time in Texas, there's always room for one more. You ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Absolutely.
Okay. Kim, I'll let you have the honors.
Okay. Do I lift this up now?
You got it.
Okay.
And whew, and
Ooh. Wow. That is pretty amazing.
bam!
Brand new.
Wow.
How about that?
Fantastic.
Wow.
I'd say at least 100% better.
Yeah, it is absolutely 100% better.
Yeah.
Maybe even better than that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So thankfully
I'm
it was.
impressed. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, it was basically stuff on the outside, oxidation and stuff, and I was worried about some scratches on a couple areas, but they seemed to come out, so it was this weird residue. But you know, 100% better. I think it probably improved your night driving maybe a little bit. They weren't too bad, but you know, yeah, of course. Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pretty
Will.
awesome.
Yeah, so
Thank
it is awesome. So yeah, and that's the 3 rules I follow, and my mantra is: 1, you want to make it look better. They definitely look better, especially on a silver car.
Yeah.
Number 2, they prolong the time before you have to consider replacing more expensive new ones. And number 3, most importantly, I'm concerned about your safety when you're driving at night. You may or may not see a difference, and I'm saying lots of ums, but that's okay. But that's okay. So anyway, there you have it. So there's another
Very good.
So yeah,
That's
Greg.
great. That's
yay!
Great job.
Thank you so
Great
much.
job.
Thank
We
you.
recommend it.
Yeah.
Great
Yeah.
service. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. So
Wonderful service.
all right. Well, thank you for hearing me, and that's it.